All right, so if you're over 40 and you're trying to really get something started online because you want to do passive income, you want to affiliate market, you want to basically, you just want to make more money and slowly start to build you maybe another nest egg for retirement, or you just want to leave your 9 to 5. What we're doing here on this channel is I'm showing people basically over the age of 40 how to make money with YouTube, and I want to start a journey and I want you to go with me. Now, just the other day I got 2 emails that said, congratulations, you made a sale. Another one said, hey, congratulations, you've got, you helped make a sale on a platform I use called Gumroad, and it was a small commission, you know, maybe $2. And I made 3 of those in one day. I made another one a couple days before that. So you may think to yourself, Sloan, I'm not really, that's not going to help me out. I can't even buy a tank of gas with that. I need you to understand, it's the beginning of something. Once you prove that you can do it, then you just scale it up. All this traffic that I had came from YouTube. I had YouTube videos on different channels. Now, on this one sports channel that I have a website, and it's not fancy at all. And in fact, it was a Google site that they converted over to something else. But I had a website, and on that website, I listed different products from Gumroad. Okay, so people come to the video on that channel. I give them the content. They visit my website. They find something that they like and want to purchase. They click on it on my website. They check out through Gumroad. I make a commission. Now, it's a very straightforward process. There's nothing to be complicated about this. All right, you get traffic from YouTube. You send them to a blog, a free blog if you want to make it. If you don't even want a website, just send them to like a blogger account with Google. Have affiliate links on there to various products. They purchase, you make a commission. The more videos you make, the more traffic you get, the more commissions you make. This is it. This is straightforward. This is exactly how it works. So here's what I'm asking. I'm going to continue to show you how to do this, and I'm going to keep putting examples step by step on this channel, and I want you to come along. I want you to be a part of it. I would love for us to have a success group at some point. So what I want you to do, I just want you to subscribe to the channel. Subscribe. I'm going to have follow-up videos where I start to show you how to do this. All right, so guys and girls over 40, let's go ahead and create a successful group. I'm going to show you the roadmap to do it. It can start today. I'm not selling you anything. I just like when we take a community together and grow, especially one that's like us, Gen X, late 70s, early 80s. So subscribe, follow, and then I'm going to continue making videos. All right, hope you have a great day.